Hi, I'm Ranjit Rastogi, co-founder of AwayDay. This is the demo of the core feature of the AwayDay platform, the AI-powered search of medical events using natural language queries. But first, a quick recap as to why AwayDay even exists. Each reporting period, millions of medical professionals face a global mandate of earning continuing professional development or continuing medical education credits, known as CPD CME credits, through qualified activities like attending conferences and online courses. On average, they spend about 3 to 4 hours in discovering these qualified events that not only offer them the opportunity to earn the required credit, but are events they would actually like to attend. And once they've found the said event, they, like all of us when we plan a trip, spend another 20-30 hours over several days or even weeks in planning, arranging, and booking these trips. So why does it take 3 to 4 hours to find the perfect medical event to attend? The information about these events is fragmented across various platforms, medical college portals, and newsletters. Not only that, neither of them are complete, nor do they cover all medical specialties or offer global coverage for all CME qualified medical conferences, meetings, and courses. On top of all of that, to make a bad situation worse, all of these platforms are still using outdated web technologies, static web pages with clunky and cluttered interfaces with nothing more than a keyword search and tedious filters. It takes several minutes to even figure out where anything is, get familiar with the navigation, and endlessly scroll to find an event that may be of interest. And in some cases, it's simply a web-based calendar. This, by the way, is a calendar of the largest radiology society in the world. This is where AwayDay comes in. AwayDay is the world's only AI-powered search and discovery platform designed specifically for medical professionals. Our custom-built proprietary AI model is trained on a vast database of CME qualified events, which not only curates personalized options based on the user's profiles, professions, and medical specialties, but also factors in the interests and activities they enjoy doing in their desired destinations, all with the power of a single natural language query, saving them nearly 4 hours per trip. Here, they're presented with a simple, clean search interface, along with all upcoming events relevant to them on a nice interactive globe, even before they've typed in a single word. Our users can simply hover over any of these pins and learn about the event in a nice, neat card, including all the important information about it: dates, venues, the keynote speakers, total number of credits being offered, as well as the starting price if available. But here is where AwayDay shines: a powerful natural language query engine that not only allows them to type a custom prompt, but if they're feeling lazy or suffering from a bit of a mental exhaustion, pick from any of these suggested prompts, and this list will adapt and learn over time from a user's interaction with the platform. Or simply click this button, which would curate a personalized events list just for them, factoring not only their preferences and interests, but also the CME credits they still need for this reporting period. All these settings are available in a user's self-managed CPD home section for keeping track of their events. There, not only can they save the events they want to attend, but events they've already attended, the dates they attended them, the credits they earn, and even upload their certificate of attendance. Not only that, but we also help them keep a running tally of the total credits they've earned so far this reporting period and how many they actually need. All of that is, however, covered in a separate video. Now, we saw earlier how difficult and cumbersome it is to even navigate the existing platforms, let alone provide customized search results via simple natural language queries. The best example of the power of the AwayDay platform can be seen by using one of these prompts, as they show some of the most complex queries that a user might enter. For example, let's analyze this first query. Here the user specifies the specialty that the event should belong to, a general and rather vague description of the type of location they prefer the event to be in, minimum number of days the event should run for, and the minimum credits they would like to earn for attending this event. This, on the other hand, is specific about not only the specialty, but also the subspecialty or theme of the conference, as well as the specifics of the interests and activities they would like for the venue or the location to offer, but are much more broad about the time of the year, as that's when they have planned their time off and break from their practice. Based on extensive conversations with our users, this essentially encapsulates everything that's important to them when they consider attending a medical event, where the trip not only satisfies their professional requirements, but also their preference for leisure travel, a growing travel trend and segment commonly referred to as bleisure, which combines business and leisure travel in a single trip. Now let's see what this query does. And voila! In less than 5 seconds, we're presented with options that meet each of the specified criteria. This is a list of all upcoming radiology conferences in exotic destination. This is in Grand Cayman, and this is in Hawaii. All longer than 3 days and offer a minimum of 20 credits. But wait, there is more. The user could have simply clicked this magic button where, without typing a single query, get hyper-personalized search results with a single click. Now I don't know about you, but these are far too many results for me. Let me try and narrow these down. Now there are several tools to help me with that. The usual suspects of the old date filter, but I'm lazy. I want one click for everything. And if you've been following along closely, you'd have noticed that the entire demo I haven't needed to type anything at all so far. With this, I can narrow down the events to only the ones happening over the next 3 months, including ones that I've bookmarked. Another fun filter is the hot events feature. This will bring up the events the models are determined to be the most popular. This includes events that people have explicitly searched for the most, or these events showed up in the results the most times, events that most of the users have bookmarked or clicked on and register on, or hey, simply because the organizer paid us good money to make sure it always shows up in the results. Either way, it's definitely narrowed down the results to a number that doesn't give me anxiety. Now, let's have a look at the results. By default, the results are presented in a nice, neat table list view, which allows them to quickly scan the available events, the location, dates, and the maximum credits on offer. Not only that, they also have the option to check out the program or schedule of the meeting. Simply hover over the schedule icon to quickly glance at the program, the talks, and the panel schedule for each day. If this then appears to be an event they would be interested to learn more about, they can click on it and get the details. Here, they can read more about what the event's overall theme and topics will be for this year. Yeah, I think I like this one, so I will add this to my wish list. And also, go ahead and share it on my social media or with my colleagues who might also be interested in attending it with me. And hey, if they are from my town, we could even plan the trip together. At this point, I can just move on and check out other events, or I can get more information about this one, especially to check if this registration is open. And since this is only 2 months away, I might just go ahead and register for it. A single click here takes me directly to the registration page of the organizer. Once I register here, my search to checkout funnel is complete. An activity that, according to our surveys, takes about 3 to 4 hours for our users was discovered within 5 seconds and booked within the time it took me to read everything and check out. To put this into perspective, medical professionals in developed countries earn an average of $500 to $1,000 an hour. Spending 3 to 4 hours in finding a suitable event costs them between $1,500 to $4,000, not to mention the exhaustion, frustration, and mental toll it takes to find an event they mostly use as a break away from the regular schedule. Hours they could have spent providing care to their patients, relaxing, or even spending with their families. But that's not all. If then it takes them another 20-30 hours to plan this trip, that's another thousands of dollars and precious time wasted. With AwayDay, not only do we save them at least 3 to 4 hours in finding the perfect event, in the future, through our premier travel partners, we will offer them personalized curated packages with white glove service, saving them that extra 20-30 hours of research, planning, synchronizing, and booking, while ensuring seamless end-to-end arrangements, luxury flights, 5-star stays, exclusive tours, all tailored to their preferences and budget, including reservations in restaurants or tickets to exhibits and venues which are impossible to get or at least have months of waiting lists. Thus, AwayDay will not only help one of the most highly valued members of our society with the professional development, but also save them time, money, and a lot of stress. This is all from us for now. We hope you've enjoyed this demo. There is a lot more magic in this platform that we can't cover in a single demo video, and a lot more that is in the works, but we hope that we've been able to help you understand where we are and where we're going, which is to be the single source for finding and discovering all medical education related events and activities, as well as planning those dream vacations with seamless end-to-end white glove service. This is Ranjit from AwayDay signing off, and thank you for watching.